Hello crypto lovers, just an update over my small mining rig in 2021. So this one is a very small mining rig having just 4 graphics card of 2 variant which I have set up inside my home. If you look at this graphics card, this one is from Aspire, this one is from Aspire. It is a RX 570 graphics card, and I do also have one graphics card down here which is Asus Strix. This one is also RX 570. But this graphics card is from the Gigabyte, and this one is the RX 5700 graphics card. This one not RX 5700 XT, this one is plain RX 5700 graphics card. So currently I'm mining with this 4 graphics card. Let's go close and look all this graphics card and the motherboard and the entire setup. So here is the close look of RX 5700 graphics card from Gigabyte. You can see it has the 3 fans and currently it is working. Behind that you can find the SMPS from Antic which is of 1300 watt. This is the RX 570 graphics card from Aspire, and below that you can also find the RX 570 graphics card from Aspire. If you look at the motherboard, I am currently running on BioStar TB250 BTC motherboard. It has the LGA 1151 CPU. This one is the graphics card from Asus. This one is the Strix RX 570 graphics card of 8GB. All these cards which I am having of the 8GB RAM. So this graphics card is quite unstable. This RX 570 graphics card from Asus is quite unstable. I am not having the right amount of hash from this graphics card. But besides this, all this graphics card is perfectly working fine and giving me the nice output, nice hash rate over the NiceHash miner as well as the Claymore miner. So let's go on the screen and check out what kind of earning I am currently doing over the NiceHash as well as on the Ethereum. So here I'm back on my desktop, and as you can see, NiceHash is running the NB miner as per the profitability, and it has detected all the 4 cards, the RX 570 and the AMD Radeon RX 5700 graphics card. If we look at the current speed, then you can check out what kind of mega hash I am getting currently. So the graphics card, the 570 graphics card is quite unstable, but with the RX 5700 graphics card I am near about getting the 55 mega hash from this NiceHash, from this NB miner. So all these graphics card are overclocked. I am having some issue with the Asus 570 graphics card. It is not going more than 26.30 mega hash. But besides that, the RX 570 from Aspire is quite giving me up to 30 mega hash, 31 mega hash. So if we look at the current profitability and the kind of BTC I'm making per day or in the USD, then you can find $9 per day in USD. So it is not quite stable. As the price of BTC is going to be higher, the profitability is going to be higher, and if the price of the BTC going to be lower, then profitability is also going to be lowered. So it's all depend how much the price of BTC is bumping up. These all cards are overclocked, and this is currently running with the different kind of settings. So I do have the different settings for these cards as well. So guys, that's all about this small mining rig which is made up of RX 570 and RX 5700 graphics card. I will show you the Ethereum mining and mega hash as well in the another video. Till that, if you do have any suggestion, support, you can comment and you can let me know.